Meta has unveiled the next generation of AR glasses called Aria Gen 2 as a successor to its Project Aria, which was originally launched 5 years ago in 2020. The Aria Gen 2 adds new capabilities to the platform, including an upgraded sensor suite, Meta's custom silicone, and the integration of AI features. These next-generation glasses are set to unlock new possibilities across a wide range of research areas, including machine perception, egocentric and contextual AI, and robotics. According to Meta, the 75-gram Aria Gen 2 can seamlessly perform AI tasks such as eye tracking, hand tracking, and speech recognition. The AR glasses include open-ear, force-canceling speakers and a battery that's capable of 6 to 8 hours of continuous use. Compared to its predecessor, Aria Gen 1, the new generation glasses introduced two innovative sensors embedded in the nosepad, a PPG sensor for measuring heart rate, and a contact microphone to distinguish the wearer's voice from that of bystanders. The Aria Gen 2 glasses also have foldable arms with simultaneous localization and mapping cameras and 6 degrees of freedom movement support. The company also plans to make the glasses available to academic and commercial research labs in the coming months.